sometimes when you install a new Windows and you have saved the passwords on the internet browsers, you find yourself forgetting the password and the information of your favorite sites. And in this case, you get frustrated and have the retrieve this data. Now I have come to you with the radical solution to this problem, which is the Greenship Site Password Saver program, which will enable you to store all your favorite sites data in this most wonderful tool. With this tool you can store any data and put it away from the system disk, and in the event that you have to install a new Windows, you will have saved important information and passwords, so you don't lose any important data. Pin by default is 0000. This is interface of application. First, add information about sites. I will add Facebook. Then click add site. After add site, add information about site, data name and data value. Data name, email. Data value, Hassan. At gmail.com. Then click add. Password. Data value 1, 2, 3, 4. Then click add. After that, click save. Now Facebook information has been added. If you want to copy any information, password, click copy. Then open Facebook and click paste. If you want to change PIN code, write your PIN code 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat 1, 2, 3, 4. Then click confirm. Then click OK. Close. For download this application, I will download link in the description box. Scroll down, then click download. I downloaded it before. Okay, open folder. The program is simple and small. Copy. Then add the program, unzip the program in any disk, else system disk, because if you install a new Windows and format the disk, the program remain. Here then unzip the tool that, open application. By default pin is 40, and add information is useful also. This program is useful also if you have website and you have much data, because you can add host name, FTP, any information, and if the program don't run in the link system requirement access 2007 runtime, download from the link in system requirement from Microsoft, download and run this and install this Access Database Engine. Then the program is work correctly. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.